Hello everyone, this is my VR for Evi's challenge giveaway. The challenge is to make a junk journal page. So this is what I made. So for the paper, I used this notebook. Then this strip here is just a scrap paper. And this pocket, I got this from Ruth Burr. It was part of the prize that I won. So you can journal here or add photos. You can also journal here or add photos. And then for this one, I use this stencil. I use this stencil to decorate the paper with this ink and this brush, using this brush. Then I use washi tape to attach the envelope. This washi tape. And at the back, for this pocket also I got from Ruth Burr, part of the prize. It's a pocket. It's a tag pocket using book pages. So you can also journal here. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.